How you guys doing? So, I'm excited. I know the lights are up there. Sorry, it's probably like a little funky. But I wanted to just give you a quick heads up. So, Beyond the Buy builders have created a 7-day workshop for everybody that purchased the CryptoPayz. Yes, so super excited. Tonight, in like 15 minutes, I'm going to have one of my clients. His name is James McGee. He's an accountant, and he's learning marketing online, and he's learning crypto. He's going to come on, and we're going to build his CryptoPayz machine. So he'll be able to literally market his services. Well, not really even market. He'll be able to accept Bitcoin for his accounting services. So I really would love for you guys to see how to do that live, and then jump on and let's build your store. All right, so I'm trying to squeeze in some cooking really quick, and then we'll jump down and we'll jump into the Skype group. So if you haven't got CryptoPayz, P-A-Y-Z yet, you can go to BTC, B as in boy, T as in Tom, C as in cat, simplified.com, and just scoop up the front line, or the front end, and it's like $19. Super exciting. Anyways, and then you can just you can send me a message in this, or you could just email me, Suzi@laptopmode.com, so I can give you access to our workshop. All right, it's the last day of the workshop, but if you get in, I'll give you the free password to the Beyond the Buy builders. We meet every Sunday. If you just don't even want to get the product, but you do want to meet all of my product building team, and they'll help you open and unlock and build your digital products, you can go to www.beyondthebuybuilders.com, and then every Sunday at 8 Eastern Standard Time until like 5 a.m. in the morning, we are building people's products with them. All right, so I will see you guys soon. I gotta stop this so I can email it to you. Bye.